So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be the day 5 tutorial in React JavaScript. So in our previous video, we have seen what is functional components and we have get deep dive into the field of functional components. In this video, we are going to see what are class-based components and how we can define a class-based component. So if you are new to my channel, make sure that you like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss the awesome videos. So let's get started. So first of all, I will create one file named welcome.js. Now for the class-based component, we need two things. First one is the import React from React, and then one is the component. After that, we will define our class name welcome, which will extend the component. After that, we need a render, and inside render we will return our HTML like h1 hello from welcome. And now for this component to be imported in app.js, we have to export this component. So export default welcome. Now after exporting, it is ready to be used in the app.js file. So we will import our welcome from component/welcome. So you can see here on my terminal, I've already started my server by using npm start, and it is running on localhost 3000. So when I will navigate to my localhost 3000, you will see hello from welcome. So that is something. This is how you can define a class-based component. Now we have seen functional components and class-based component. So now what is the difference between functional component and class-based component? So first, according to the syntax, functional component are just JavaScript functions that take props as an argument and return React elements. And they are stateless also and don't have access to the component lifecycle methods. Then the class-based component are the ES6 classes that extends from React.component. As you can see in the code, we have the class component which extends from React.component. Okay, so if I remove this component from here, which is imported from React, so I can directly write React.component like this. So that is something. They have access to the component lifecycle methods and can hold and manage local state. So this is the difference between the syntax of both of them. After that, we have the difference between the state also. So until the introduction of hooks in React 16.8, functional components were stateless. But with the introduction of hooks, functional components can now use state and other React features using the hooks called useState. So in our further videos, we are going to see what are hooks in React JavaScript. Now in the class-based component, these components can have local state defined in the constructor and managed through the setState. Now in the lifecycle methods, functional component. Before hooks, functional components couldn't use lifecycle methods, and now with the introduction of hooks, they can use like use effect we have to handle the side effects. Now in the class-based components, they have access to traditional lifecycle methods like component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount. We are going to see the lifecycle method of React in our further videos. Now at last, we have the readability and consistency. So functional components are more concise and easier to read, and especially with the introduction of hooks. But in the class-based component, they have to more boilerplate code due to the class structure and the lifecycle methods. So by looking into the code, you will see that class-based components are a bit lengthier than the functional-based component, because in the class-based component we have a render method also, and then we have the class structure also. But in the case of functional component, it is just a JavaScript function, or you can say a arrow function, which is a ES6 feature. And I will recommend that use the functional component instead of class-based component, because with the help of functional component, the syntax will be easier and it will be more readable, and we have the power of hooks to handle that state and manage that state. So React is all about the state management. So that is something. You can also explore this part of class-based component and try to create some more class-based component and try to play with that. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any doubt regarding this, so let me know in the comment section. Until then, thank you for watching.